Welcome to a new video, everyone. Today we're going to be putting some air diffusers that I found online on top of our car. We're going to go ahead and try to space them out evenly with our antenna up here. So let's go ahead and we'll get some tape, a tape measure. We'll mask this all off, make sure that we get equal distance between all of them, and then we'll go ahead and clean up the spot and put them on there. Alrighty, so now that we've got a line masked off from one side to the other, we're going to go ahead and measure it with our measuring tape, and then we're going to make marks in between where we're going to fit all the air diffusers so that they'll be spaced out evenly. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention that we're measuring because we have 10 of these and I wanted to go ahead and do 5 on each side. So I went ahead and made my marks. My first one's gonna start pretty much over there right at the end of the roofing and then go all the way across here. Went and marked where the antenna was and then did another 5 over there. We went about 4 inches in between each one. And then this space right here is only gonna be about like 2.5, maybe 3 inches between each one and our antenna. So we'll go ahead and get that all cleaned off. These ones didn't come with the adhesive stuff pre-installed, but thank goodness it is all pre-cut and everything. So we'll just go ahead and get all those put together and then we'll get everything on there and see what it looks like. Alrighty, now that we've got everything cleaned up and ready to go, we're gonna get them put on there. I found that since my antenna is up just about that much, my first knuckle on my pinky, I'm gonna go ahead and move the air diffusers up there and have them follow the curve so everything kind of looks flush with my antenna. Alrighty, you guys, we have finished up. I didn't film me putting them all on there because it just would have slowed me down, and it is starting to get cold now that the sun is going down, but here is our finished product. That actually looks pretty sick to me. I mean, for like, I think these things were like 10 or 12 bucks. I went ahead and got them in the glossy black, just like my car is. They got them in all kinds. They got like flat black or the matte black, whatever you want to call it. And then they've also got like carbon fiber. And I wanted to stick with this kind of shape because that's actually what my antenna kind of looks like. The other ones were like this weird, like missile looking shape. I didn't want to go all crazy like that, but man, for like 10, 12 bucks, that really adds some style to the roof of your car, I've got to say. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out this video. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description for these down below if you want to get some for yourself. If you got any questions about them or anything, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to check out another video on the channel, and I hope to see you guys in my next one.